I'm going to do something different today. And normally I make a picture frame based on the size of the picture. Such as that fox over there and this fox over here. But in this case, I'm going to make a picture frame based on the size of the space available. And then my wife is going to cross stitch something for that picture frame. And this is the space. It's 4.5 inches wide on the outside dimensions of the frame. So it's going to be 4.5 inches square. And we'll see what kind of space we have for a cross stitch on the inside. I have this piece of black walnut, and it will probably be perfect. This one piece will make all four sides. It's going to be 4.5 inches wide on the outside dimensions, just shy of that really. And this is a 12-inch piece, and I will cut it in half, so it'll be 3/4 inches wide. And I'm going to leave it its same thickness. So it's going to be thicker than it's going to be wide. So that is the plan. Let's see how this works out. When cutting the miters for such a small frame, you need to be very careful to do it precisely. There's very little room to overcome any mistakes. This frame clamp jig is really good in the sense that it works very well for making sure your frame is clamped up at 90 degrees. But one thing I do not like about it is this is a small frame here, and unscrewing these wing nuts for as far as you have to unscrew them gets old very quick. I wish I had a better solution than this. This stinks. Okay, so at long last, after hours and hours and hours of waiting, my wife finally finished this cross stitch, and we're ready to hang it. And it fits perfectly in that spot.
Yay!
Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.
Butterflies are just moths with better PR teams.